Hello guys, so come on in, let me show you how our balcony room look. Now there are two different types of balconies. You have the balcony that is ocean view, and you have the other balcony that is at the Central Park area. We didn't want that one, so we wanted the view. Now that one is going to be a little more expensive, but I promise you it's going to be worth it. So let me show you the bathroom. This is something that we as women must have. And this bathroom, I can say, is much better than the other royal ships that we have been on. So if you can see that there is a shower, and the shower is a little bigger than we used to have with the curtains, but this is a spacey a shower that two people, if they want to shower in here. Of course you have your toilet, and of course you have your things that you can put everything in, your sink, little things at the bottom, and your towel. So let's go to your sitting area. Now this piece right here, you can let it out as a let out bed, but because it's just me and hubby, we do not need to let this out. This is a good sitting area. This is an area if you want to do any work, like I'm going to be editing videos, putting on makeup. And this is a nice size mirror, which will give you a view of your whole entire body face. Now you have the electrical pieces. This is the European piece, and then you also have the American and the UPS cords that you need to use if you want to plug up any devices. Now it has enough room. I would say one side would be for me and one side would be for hubby to put our things in. And you also have a refrigerator to, if you get anything from the dining areas, that option is available for you as well. Now let's go to pieces of the closet. Another great essential we as women love. There is side for, let's say, for hubby, and then there is a side also on that side for me. It comes with a safe that if you do want to put everything in your safe for your security, so that is a great option. Now let's go to the comfort of where we're going to be sleeping. As you know, the beds are always twin beds, and they do connect them together as a queen, and this is our stay of where we will be sleeping. You do have your TV. Now the TV, you know, of course, they're going to have movies for you to watch, but you will have to pay for those, so we won't be opting out to get those options. Now on this side, you do have the phone, which you can make calls. We will be trying to call our sister. You can call from stateroom to stateroom with no cost. Now this is the beauty. This is our balcony. Again, like I said, we have the balcony that has the ocean view. It's not spacious like a suite, but it is spacious enough for two. So you guys, this is our room. Hubby, you got anything you got to say?
No, just ready to go.